Greetings, welcome back again. Today we're doing a really quick one, We're doing some rustle up some corned beef and some chickpeas rice. Corned beef, as otherwise known as bully beef, we can rustle that up. See, I'm going in with my rice there. I do with my rice, man. I always season up my rice proper, So put my little scallion in there, and you know how I do it, man. And nice and season it up. Yeah. Yeah, man, chickpeas goes in now, so they're still solid. So you don't leave them till last minute because they're they are solid. So you may as well put them in from the beginning so they can still get a little bit more soft as well. So yeah, man, nice it up. I come with a different flavor all the time, different style, creativeness. So my corned beef gonna have different things, It's not the standard corned beef. So I have some little bit of potato in it. I got some mixed veg, Mix it up, man. Nice. Yeah, so I'll get the potato and stuff in there first, so they can have, get them a bit soft first. Because the potato is the one that takes a little bit while to cook. As you know, the corned beef is already cooking the tin, so that goes in last, really. You don't have to. But yeah, get a bit of oil in the pan. See, I got my sweet potato and a bit of tomato over there, so I'll leave that till last. I'll put that in last. But get everything else caramelized and get the potato soft and, get those nice. You know how I do the shelly rice. Rice off of shelly. Looking nice, almost there, man. It's getting a little stir up and thing, give it a little taste, Almost there, man. Hey guys, listen, man, the flavor that's coming through, man. Oh, I wish you guys can smell it through the damn camera, man. Hey, the flavor after I lift that lid, it's crazy. I'm just checking the potato, make sure that they soft and thing. Yeah, nice, man. Just add my tomatoes and my sweet pepper and just let that go and simmer. Just give it a little bit, yeah. Yeah, here comes the dreaded opening up this can. If you know, you know. If that thing breaks, you're in problems. Let's see how this goes. Looking good so far. It's looking good. Yeah, man, they're good, man, they're good. You know how this goes, man. The king thing always break it off. It's a problem getting it off. Jeez. Yeah, man, looking good, smelling good. Almost there, man. I tell you, the thing I lick off my nose right now. Cheese. Plate ready. Pot land. Yes, who wants a plate? It's ready, it's ready. Tell me if you want a plate. I'll ship it to you. Don't worry. It will get there nice and hot. Don't worry. Yeah, man.